They told you money can't make you happy, but here's the secret. They were wrong. Today, I'll reveal 5 powerful steps to building wealth that actually multiplies joy. Let's dive in. The biggest myth in life is that wealth and happiness can't coexist. In reality, when you align money with meaning, they don't just coexist, they fuel each other. Here's the 5-step formula. Step 1. Set intentions, not just incomes. Don't just chase a number. Define what financial freedom looks like for you. Time with family, travel, or building a business. Intentional wealth leads to intentional living. Step 2. Track progress. Celebrate growth. Small wins matter. Every dollar saved, every debt reduced, and every new income stream deserves recognition. Celebrating progress keeps momentum alive. Step 3. Buy time, not just stuff. Invest in things that free your time, like outsourcing tasks, tools that save hours, or even learning skills that speed up your growth. Time is the real currency of happiness. Step 4. Invest with purpose. Don't just invest for returns. Invest in areas that align with your values, whether that's sustainable businesses, personal growth, or long-term freedom. Purposeful investing feels rewarding. Step 5. Practice mindful giving. Science proves generosity increases happiness, whether it's helping a friend, supporting a cause, or giving yourself a reward. Mindful giving brings joy that money alone can't buy. Now, here's your 30-day challenge. Pick one value-driven financial goal. Track and celebrate weekly progress. Use money on one joyful experience. Give or share something, no matter how small. At the end of the month, review the difference in your stress, your joy, and your bank account. You'll be amazed.